Okay, so what I love most about owning an OsteoStrong, there is not just one reason, there's multiple of reasons. My biggest reason is I love helping people. I love people. And when they come in here, you don't know how their day has been, or you could be the start of their day. So we start on the biplate. We always say we're shaking you to the bone. And then we do our osteogenic loading. And it's so fun after we do sessions to see the smile on people's face, to hear how they feel, to walk in and be like, oh my God, when I woke up this morning, my back didn't hurt or my knees didn't hurt. Or I walked up my stairs and all of a sudden I was like, oh my gosh, my knees do not hurt. So it's just all the amazing benefits that OsteoStrong has to offer that is a blessing that we see every day.